This footage shows engines being displayed to tourists during the off-season. Many of these engines were failed biofusion experiments and were too ill to work or were already dead. They had to put a stop to that though.
Why? Shut up!
With all accidents happening, everyone started asking the same thing.
Now, this wasn't even a death, although I just wanted to say I never did Project GB, which is actually Project Disco Bear. I mean, Project G1 is actually, well, kind of like, it has like Gordon's face, so maybe I should actually do Project GB, but with Disco Bear's face, because early in the video you saw Gordon exploded, and Disco Bear exploded, so yeah. I should probably do something like that. I should probably make a Project DB in the future. Oh well. Oh well. Maybe someday I will.